Now we are going to solve question number 20. What is the question number 20? When we are saying about the question number 20, if a equal to 1 minus 1 2 and b equal 1 4 minus 1 1, then prove that a minus 2 whole square is not equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So students, first we have to find a minus b whole square, means first we have to find a minus b. What is the a minus b? A minus b means a minus b, so we can say that a minus b is 2 minus 1, so it is 1. 1 minus 4, so it is minus 3 minus 1. It is minus 1 minus 1, so it is 0, and 2 minus 1, so it is 1. So it is a minus b. Now we are going to solve what is the a minus b to the power 2. So a minus b to the power 2 means a minus b multiplied by a minus b. Now when we have to find 1 minus 3 0 1 multiplied by 1 minus 3 0 1, then what is the value? So the values is it is 1, it is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, it is 1, minus 3 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. 1 multiplied by minus 3, so it is minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, so it is minus 3. And 0 multiplied by 1, so it is 0. And 1 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. And 0 multiplied by minus 3, so it is 0. And 1 multiplied by 1, so it is 1. So students, the values is 1, minus 6, 0, 1. So it is a value is 1 minus 6 0 1. Now it is a minus b to the power b whole square. This is the part of LHS. This is the part of LHS. Now what is the RHS? What is the RHS? So when we are saying about the RHS, so I write here a minus b whole square is equal to 1 minus 6 0 1. This is the value, and now we are going to find a square. What is the a square? A square means we have to find a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is a square means a multiplied by a multiplied by a minus 2 a dot b plus b dot b. So what about the a dot a? When we are saying about the a multiplied by a, so we can say that 2 1 minus 1 2 multiplied by 2 1 minus 1 2 and minus 2 multiplied by a. So a is 2 1 minus 1 2 and the value of b is 1 4 minus 1 1 and plus 2 b dot b. So we can say that 1 4 minus 1 1 and 1 4 minus 1 1. So this is the value of this. So now we are going to solve this question. 2 multiplied by 2, it is a 4. 1 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 1. Now 2 multiplied by 1, so it is 2. 1 multiplied by 2, so it is 2. Now minus 1 multiplied by 2, so it is at minus 2. And 2 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 2. Now minus 1 multiplied by 1, so it is minus 1, and 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, so it is minus 1, and 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4. This is the value. Now 2 is here, and this multiplied by this, 2 into 1, so it is 2. 1 multiplied by 1, so it is minus 1. 2 multiplied by 4, so it is 8. And 1 multiplied by 1, so it is 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 1, so it is minus 1. And 2 multiplied by minus 1, so it is minus 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 4, so it is minus 4. 2 multiplied by 1, so it is 2. Now there is a plus. Now here is a positive sign. Now 1 multiplied by 1 it is 1, 4 multiplied by minus 1 it is minus 4, and 1 multiplied by 4 so it is 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 so it is 4. 1 multiplied by 4 it is 4, 4 multiplied by 1 it is 4. Now minus 1 multiplied by 1 so it is minus 1, and 1 multiplied by minus 1 it is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 4 it is minus 4, and 1 multiplied by 1 it is 1. Now question is, now it is 3, it is minus 4, it is a 4, it is a 3, and it is a minus 2, so it is a minus 2, and it here it is a 1, minus 3, 9, it is minus 2, plus it is a minus 3, it is 8, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, and equal to, now again it is a 3, 4, 3, 4, minus 4 and 3, and it is minus 2, so it is a minus 2, it is minus 18, it is a 6, it is 6, it is a 4. Now it here it is a minus 3, it is a 8, it is minus 2, and it is minus 3. Now what is after addition? It is 3, it is minus 3, so it is cancelled, the remaining part is minus 2. So it here it is minus 2, 4, minus 18 plus 8 it is a minus 10 plus 4, minus 10 plus 4 so it is minus 6, minus 4, minus 4 plus 6 it is a plus 2, and it is minus 2, so it remaining part is 0. 3 minus 3 is cancelled, so remaining part is a 4. So we can say that this is the RHS students. This is the RHS, and we can say that this is the LHS. This is the LHS and this is the RHS. We can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, students. Now we are going to solve question number 21. Okay.